Hello, 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 everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, or good morning around the world. Thank you so much, and welcome to my channel, Ayen's Diary. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for all your support. And of course, mega love shout out to my team, WH Vloggers, and love shout out to our president, Mr. Ryan Super Studios. Thank you so much for the support always. And today is Monday, the 19th of July. We are going for a drive. I'm taking you guys for a drive to Liverpool, one of our suburb here in the Western Sydney, and we are going to get first dose of vaccine. I'm a little bit nervous, but we will be okay. So come with me for a drive. Let's go and get this done. Bitaw, thank you so much for the support, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you later after the bakuna. Thank you and enjoy the drive.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies.
guys, we're only a few minutes away from the place. I'm feeling so nervous now, so good luck to me. And we'll be there soon. I'm so nervous. I don't know why. We'll be okay. So we'll see you later. I don't think I will be able to video, but I may have some pictures. Thank you.
Lions roaring in the morning sun.
So guys, we are done, and I had to wait 15 minutes straight after the vaccine. I have to wait 15 minutes in the car before I can drive home. So I'm okay to drive home, and we are going home now. We are going to the M4 motorway. So thank you guys for coming with me, and salamat sa inyo. And yes, I'm okay. Thank you, Lord.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animal.
Okay guys, we are now on the M4 motorway going home, only 15 minutes away from my home. Thank you so much for coming with me. Thank you for watching this video. As always, thank you for the support, team, and we'll see you next on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, God bless, and have a good weekend. Bye bye. Love you guys.
You